What's up, guys? So I am just getting out of work and now I am on my way to pick up some of Huey's medicine. After that, I'll probably go home, take him for a short run, and then I'm gonna be hanging out with him and pretty much chilling the rest of the day. So let's go get this day started. Well, kind of started. You know what I mean. Now that we're here, let's go get this medicine real quick.
Hello, you picking up medicine?
Yeah, for Huey.
There you go. Have
Thank
a
you.
good one.
You too. Now that we got that done with, I think I'm gonna head back home now so I can finally let this dude outside so he can get some fresh air. So let's head home.
Everything changes.
Hi, you ready to go for a walk? You go outside? Good boy. Now that me and Huey are situated, we're gonna go ahead and get a quick run in before we go get food and get fat. So let's go get this exercise for the day in. Potty break. So we're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the house from the run, and this happened. Literally just starts pouring out of nowhere, so we're waiting it out to at least calm down a little bit because Huey's down here soaked. Well, that was awesome. I not only dropped my phone and cracked the screen, but I got drained on, like literally out of nowhere, just pouring. So sweet, right? The good news is today I think I'm going to B-Dubs for dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and shower and get ready for that, and then I'll bring you guys along for that. So I'll see you soon. Well, looks like the wait at B-Dubs is unreal, so it looks like we're gonna be going somewhere else. So I don't know where we're going, but I'll bring you guys along. Go look at it. Go look at it. Oh, just to mess around. Have you talked to that girl, the lady at the other job? Making a video of Went to some arena bar. It's pretty good. Now heading home. Ben, come be in my video. Ben! 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 Wait, Ben! Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sucks about my phone. Sucks about being caught in the rain, but like I always say, you gotta see the positive and all the negatives, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. Now that I'm back home, I'm gonna close this video out, laying in the bed with Huey. We're super tired, so if you haven't already, go ahead and down below, comment if you guys have any suggestions on future videos, and also hit that like and subscribe button to let me know that you guys like these videos. But as for now, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the sack because I'm super tired. So I will see you guys next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.